Marion Tash's plan is to make the entry and hallway into a gallery space which will be illuminated by a deco-style chandelier and lots of skylights. The timber staircase with matching timber handrail on glass balustrades will lead up to the huge windows looking out onto that beautiful oak tree. Downstairs, they've added a storage space discreetly tucked behind a timber feature wall. To match their custom door, Sarah and George have chosen metal and glass pendant lights and gone with dark timber flooring. And in keeping with the era, the walls will be lined with movie memorabilia from the 40s. On the other side of the door, where the old transitions to the new part of the house, they've chosen a lighter timber for the stairs and left the upper flight open for extra light penetration. But they've enclosed the lower flight to give them understair storage. And a mudroom in the laundry, complete with a pet area. So muddy boots and dogs can be kept away from the rest of the house. And still to come in the 1930s part of the house, Daniel and Jade have chosen ornate cornice and ceiling detail, a chandelier and lots of art. There's a step down into the modern part, but they've gone with the same timber for the stairs and floor and a graphico print for the wall. On the upstairs landing, they've got casement windows, a large picture window in the stairwell and glass balustrades. So there's lots of natural light coming into downstairs. The chevron flooring, along with a metal and glass pendant light, side table and hallway door, all ensures that the buyer's first impression is of an immaculately restored period home. On the modern side of the house, they've continued the ported timber feature wall from the kitchen and added a secret door into the understair storage. And with a nod to the Federation origins of the house, they've chosen dark metal balustrades and handrails for the stairs. When it's completed, Jimmy and Tan's front door will open into a terrazzo-tiled entryway which faces the timber feature wall, with a secret door that hides the laundry entry. All illuminated by their Suncorp game changer, the Murano glass vintage chandelier. The new part of the hallway has a spacious powder room tucked under the solid timber stairs.